Hi, another video where you just see my hands, and today I will open this to see what's inside and try to record the video. And I will be using the poor sound because my microphone that I was using for years died, and I hopefully this will now be able to fill in, and hopefully the audio for this will be usable. Let's see. Okay, that was it. We have some user manuals, and this is of course advert. Sure, they are here for me. Let's get in touch. They cannot wait to hear from me, my Slavic accent. So this is the info we have here. Hope camera catches it. And now there are some stickers here. Okay, nice. And Lark M2 quick guide. It's very quick. So works with lightning, works with USB-C, magnet, how you install the microphone, charging case, first use, first unbox it. Okay, that's logical. Remove TX insulating film and place them back into the charging case. It's been paired at the factory so the transmitter and the receiver TX and RX will automatically pair when you use them for the first time. Okay, solid blue light, first use of camera version. Okay, make sure that microphone is not covered by any cloth. If you're recording outdoors, we recommend use windscreen. Okay, so here is the how you plug it in. Noise cancellation. Press the noise cancellation button on the TX to turn on the function, on or off. When noise cancellation is on, the status indicator on the TX turns green. Okay. Automatic charging. When the status indicator on the TX turns into slow flashing red, or in both status indicators on the RX turn into fast flashing red, place them into charging case and they will start charging automatically. Manual charging. When the status turns into slow flashing, you can charge the TX using magnetic charger. Okay, I will get back to this if all else fails. Let's see. Packing list. This is what I should have inside. USB-C and USB Lightning and camera receiver. Okay, so let's see. This is Lightning. This should work with the camera I'm looking at right now, and it's coated into some protective film. Okay, and here is the button to probably turn it on or off. Okay, and this is the USB-C option. Okay, no need to unpack that for now. And let's see what this is. Okay, this looks like the charging case. Yes, and inside we have the camera receiver. Okay, with charging ports covered. Fine. And we have the microphones with charging ports covered. Okay, so I can remove these protectors from all these. So this is all asymmetrical, so low probability of putting this the wrong way in, but never impossible. So there's a small circle indent here that matches this, and it goes in smoothly, and when I try to put it the other way around it won't go. So that's, they're all shining now, charging, as you can probably see. And that should be the first part. And now let's see what's underneath this. And here is the silica bag to keep moisture out, and this little bag. And let's see what we have in here. So we have a small for blocking the wind for each microphone. Okay, that is neat. That's in its separating. And we have this little thing, which I think is to keep the microphone around the one's neck when working, I suppose. So we've got charging case, camera receiver, 2 versions for phone receivers, 2 transmitters, and then we have the furry windshield, check, bag, quick guide, transmitter stickers, those are some stickers that we got, and we should have, and now let's see what we have here. This is for camera connection, I suppose, 3.5 to 3.5 TRS cable, and USB A to USB-C cable. That should be for charging. Okay, so here we have USB-C, and on the other end we could use the USB-A or connect it to my charger, which has USB-C things. Okay, that's nice to see. Not very practical for packing it all back, so it is how it is. So I can keep this for this bag to save it, and store the rest in this pouch, and hopefully that will be practical enough for me for everyday use. And I will try to mount it now on the camera to make other videos and see if it works. Okay.